Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and this video is going to be about an HSN Today's Special by Doll 10. We're going to swatch it, we're going to play with it, I'm going to tell you all about it. If you do like me, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm Diane. If you don't know me, I do my videos one done through, no edits, no redos. Far, far, far from a perfect human being, never claimed to be, so hopefully you like that. I have a link to shop the Today's Special below if you want, as well as a corresponding blog post with good still pictures, flash, no flash, swatched on my hands, swatched on my lips, and generally my blog posts on makeup are a lot better than my videos, at least I think they are. But let me show you what this is. So if you guys don't know, Doll 10 is is actually at this point like my very favorite makeup brand because the products just work. You can put them on really quickly, they last all day, there's skincare ingredients inside, colors are beautiful, and they just have not steered me wrong. I've been using them for years. So this is going to be the Lip Genius Lip Transforming Collection. Got some stuff here to talk about. You open up the box. That is what it's going to look like. I'm going to show it all to you. Let me just read a little stuff first. So this is a little info sheet. So it's going to be $39.95 for one day only on HSN with a retail value of $118. I'm not sure if shipping will be free or not, whatever HSN does. July 15th is the day. It's probably going to sell out. My guess is this is going to sell out early because this kit is incredible and the deal is really, really good. So it's your daily boost of lip health. It's a collection featuring the most decadent, creamy, long-wearing formulas that they ever made called Lip Genius, plus a brand new perfect pout renewing lip scrub to smooth and renew the delicate lip skin and extend the wear of your lip color. It's a collector set guaranteed to give you your dream lips thanks to gentle exfoliation, plushy pigmented color, and a mega dose of anti-aging lip quenching ingredients to repair and replenish the lips. So okay, now that I am done reading that, all of these lip products, including the scrub, by the way, there's a scrub, there's a gloss, there's a liner, there is 3 lipsticks in a bag we're going to show you. They all are infused with skincare ingredients, which I love that Doll 10 has been doing. Some of the ingredients, they have a lot of different oils and extracts as well as hyaluronic acid. And when I tried this for the first time the other day when it came to me, my lips, I can't even explain them, and just even the transformation. It's pretty much, if you want a lip plumper without the sting, go buy this kit like right now or whenever it's available. It's quite incredible. I've never smoked a cigarette in my life, but I've always drinking out of straws. Now the metal straws, because don't use plastic straws anymore. But because of this, I have lip lines, and this makes the lip lines so you barely see them. Let me show you the colors. Let me talk to you about the formulas. So the first thing I will show you is it comes with a really cute makeup bag. Open it up. It could fit a whole lot of makeup. Very roomy. Comes with a really cute makeup bag, and I forgot if I said it, guys. I am recording this in my bathroom today because this is the only room I could record in, and this is the one day in time I have to record this before the Today's Special goes live. So make with it what you will. I do apologize if you see me rocking a little. It's because I'm forced to stand. Anyway, perfect pout revitalizing lip exfoliant. This is a lip scrub. You only need so much. Smells delicious. It smells like frosting. Tastes like frosting. Hopefully the camera zooms in on this so you could see the little granulated sugars. And even when I use the scrub, I'm just going to use a little now. I actually just did my swatch pictures, so I was like putting lipsticks on and like wiping them all off. But put a little on. I want you could taste it. Just scrub it. Some people, if they use sugar scrubs, like to lick them off. I kind of find that gross because even though it tastes good, you're like eating all your dead lip skin, and I don't know, that's nasty. But you rub it in, check in the mirror, tissue, wipe it off. Now, even before I put any other lip product on, my lips feel soft. My lips feel hydrated from a lip scrub. I've never used a lip scrub before where my lips actually feel moist from the scrub alone. So, mind blown to begin with. So I'm just going to put all the steps on in order. Next we have a lip liner, and get it out of the plastic. Wait, snap that on. Stand back. Alright. Technical difficulties, guys. I said I'm not perfect. I meant it. So we have the Doll 10 Lip Genius Lip Liner. This is a color called Bestie. Let me swatch it. Goes on like that. And again, blog for this still pictures. This is more of a warmer nude color. Look, we're kind of brown undertones, and I'm more of a pink lip girl. But so when you put it on and you put other lip colors over it, it does look prettier. I'm going to just do a demo of a lipstick and the gloss over it, but this is the lip liner. This is matte, and this kind of helps prolong whatever color you do want to put on top of it. But you get a lip liner. Oh, one thing I want to show you, because it took me a while to make more product come up on this component. You will hold it here and you will press down, just like this. There's no twisting, no bother over there. Here and down, no sharpening needed. Took me a minute to figure that one out. You got the Lip Genius, the lip liner. Then we're getting 3 really pretty lipsticks. Doll 10 makes the best lipsticks in the biz. I mean, they've been fantastic for years, and as time goes on, somehow they manage to make the formulas better and better. Don't quite understand how, because they're already amazing, but let me show you the 3 colors. So the first color is called Kinda Sexy. It's a pretty nude color. We're gonna swatch it there. One swipe, pigmented. It's not a matte finish. It's like very nice sheen, but not overly glossy on its own. Did I say pigmented? Because man, it's so pigmented. Glides on like butter. The next color, which is the color that I want to put on my lips for you guys, this is called Soft Spoken. This is my favorite in the bunch. This is like a rosy pink Diane color, if you will. I don't know how, like, if I try to go like this, it doesn't come out right, but figuring out. I'm sorry that the lighting here, guys, is even worse than usual, but I'm going to tell you one swipe and one swipe how pigmented this is. You can see me looking over to the side because I'm looking over it in my mirror. One swipe. One swipe. Of course, if you want more, you could put another on. Wipe off the exfoliator that I missed before. The lipstick alone just leaves my lips so, like, soft, pillowy, and absolutely incredible. Let me show you the third color, and I'll show you the final thing in the kit. So this third color is called Killing It, and this is another really pretty rosy shade. Little darker than the one I just applied, but those are the 3 terrible swatches. Again, check the blog for the good swatches. We know. Oh, by the way, it's nice that these components, that they snap close, swivel up. Easy traditional bullet style lipsticks, my favorite kind. Last but not least, we have a gloss, and Doll 10 team, please make this gloss in like every color ever. This is the best lip gloss I've ever tried. I am obsessed with it. The taste, the vanilla is delicious to me, but not only that, the way it shines to my lips, the way it makes my lips look bigger. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. It feels incredible. It feels like, I don't even know how to like describe it. It kind of feels like a face serum. The Doe Foot Applicator is actually really unique. Let me show you on my unswatched hand. If you could see, there's a doe foot, and then there is a hole in the middle. So really unique to just hug your lips and get the perfect amount of product. We're going to put this on over the lipstick. It is a clear color. The pink you see in here is from me trying it the other day. It's called Doll Glass. Like that. And then this brings shine up to the next level. Makes your lips just look plump. It feels so good. I'm telling you, any lip lines, it's so good. So that is the last piece in the kit. So again, this is a $39.95 kit that retails for $118. You're getting fantastic everyday lip colors. You're getting a lip scrub, cute bag to put all your Doll 10 makeup in. Can't go wrong. Again, link below to buy. By the way, I am wearing all Doll 10 makeup on my face. I'm a Doll 10 ambassador, so if you want anything else besides the kit that's exclusive to HSN, go to doll10.com. You can type in my code DianeMary to save 15%. I have on the Doll Skin Foundation I mix the shades Fair and Light, the Doll 10 TCE Concealer in the shade Light, the Doll Skin Setting Powder, which is like the best setting powder. I love it so much that I really don't like loose powders, but I'm using this one just because of how it mattifies my skin but doesn't make my skin look too matte. It doesn't go into pores, it doesn't go into cakey, and then you're getting the skincare ingredients inside. Also, just launched on doll10.com that I actually ordered today that I don't have. To go with this kit, they just launched a night lip mask treatment, which sounds incredible. So if you want something for your lips at night too, definitely check that out. And yeah, that's it. If you like me and my content, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.